Here is a summary of ASML's Q3 2025 earnings call transcript, designed for clear and concise delivery. Introduction. We are now joined by Christophe Fouquet and Roger Dawson for ASML Holding N.V.'s Q3 2025 results update. Q3 2025 financial highlights. Roger, let's start with the key financial figures for the third quarter of 2025. Net sales reached 7.5 billion euros, which notably includes the recognition of one High-NA system. Installed base revenue contributed 2 billion euros to this figure. Our gross margin for the quarter stood at 51.6%, performing within our previously provided guidance. Net income for the period was 2.1 billion euros. In terms of new business, net bookings for Q3 amounted to 5.4 billion euros, with 3.6 billion euros specifically for EUV systems. Q4 2025 and full year 2025 guidance. Moving on to guidance, Roger, could you provide our outlook for Q4 2025 and the full year? For the fourth quarter, we anticipate revenue to be in the range of 9.2 billion euros to 9.8 billion euros. This represents a significant increase from the prior quarter, as expected and previously communicated, mirroring a similar pattern observed in Q4 2024. Installed base revenue is projected to be around 2.1 billion euros within this Q4 revenue figure. Our gross margin for Q4 is forecast to be between 51% and 53%. Looking at the full year 2025, we are projecting net sales of approximately 32.5 billion euros. For the full year gross margin, we are guiding around 52%. It's worth noting that taking the midpoint of our Q4 guidance suggests our full year gross margin will slightly exceed 52%. Market outlook and strategic insights. Christophe Fouquet. Christophe, turning to your perspective on the market, what are your current observations? We've seen a consistent flow of positive news in recent months, which has helped to alleviate some of the uncertainties we discussed previously. Firstly, the strong commitment to AI continues to drive investment in advanced logic and DRAM. Encouragingly, we believe AI will benefit a broader segment of our customer base going forward. We are also observing very good progress with litho intensity, particularly the adoption of EUV by both DRAM and advanced logic customers. However, looking ahead, we anticipate a significant decrease in demand from our Chinese customers in 2026 compared to the strong business we've seen in 2024 and 2025. For ASML Holding N.V. in 2026, we expect the impact of these dynamics to be partially absorbed. Nevertheless, we project that our net sales in 2026 will not be below our 2025 levels. Our product mix is shifting towards EUV, which we expect to increase, while the situation in China will likely lead to lower deep UV business. We will provide more detailed 2026 figures in our January call. Strategic technology and partnerships. Roger Dawson and Christophe Fouquet. Roger, could you elaborate on the recent partnership announcement with Mistral AI? Indeed, we've entered into a strategic partnership with Mistral AI. Mistral is highly regarded for its business-to-business approach and the quality of its large language models, especially in software coding. This partnership is significant because, while ASML is often viewed for its hardware, the substantial software content within our systems is increasingly appreciated. The precision and speed of our scanners, as well as our metrology and inspection tools, are heavily reliant on advanced software. This collaboration is therefore strategic for enhancing the performance, precision, and speed of our tools. Furthermore, AI can accelerate our product development cycles and time to market. To underscore this strategic alignment, we were the lead investor in Mistral's Series C funding round, acquiring an approximately 11% stake and securing a seat on their strategic committee. This brings us closer to the AI ecosystem, which is pivotal for ASML. Christophe, are there any key technology roadmap highlights from the past quarter? Our technology roadmap execution remains very strong. Regarding EUV, we presented compelling papers at SPIE Semicon conferences showcasing progress in reducing technology costs for our customers' most advanced nodes. For INA, over 300,000 wafers have now been processed at our customer sites, with reported maturity levels ahead of previous milestones. A significant development was SK Hynix announcing the installation of their first TwinScan 5200 system, positioning it as a key enabler for their future technology. Additionally, we are pleased to report the shipment of our first advanced packaging product, the XT260, a high-productivity scanner designed to support 3D integration with up to 4 times the productivity of existing products. Christoph, what are the opportunities you see in 3D integration? 3D integration offers another avenue to advance Moore's Law. As mentioned at our Capital Market Day, we are now supporting customers in this field. Their stringent requirements necessitate innovation, and much of the technology developed for holistic lithography is transferable to 3D integration. The XT260 is our initial offering, with more products to follow. The strong customer interest in this tool validates the future value of our technology in this space. Finally, Christoph, could you remind us of the long-term opportunities and market outlook for ASML? We anticipate AI will continue to drive demand for more advanced logic and DRAM, leading to increased lithography intensity and the ongoing need for advanced lithography solutions. As we discussed, 3D integration presents a new and significant opportunity. Furthermore, as Roger highlighted, AI integration into our own products holds immense potential. We remain confident in our technology roadmap. For 2030, we foresee an opportunity for revenue between 44 billion euros and 60 billion euros, with a gross margin projected between 56% and 60%. Conclusion. Thank you both, Christoph and Roger, for this comprehensive update.